In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to post photos on Patreon. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple idea into a polished photo post your audience can enjoy. First, head over to your Patreon creator dashboard and make sure you're logged into your creator account. This is the main control center where you manage everything your members see. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct creator page, especially if you have more than one account or help manage multiple projects. Once you're on your dashboard, look towards the bottom left corner of the screen and click on the Create button. This is where you start any new content: posts, audio, video, and in this case, photo posts. When the Create menu opens, select Post. This tells Patreon you're making a standard post that can include text and images, and it will open up the post editor. At the very top of the editor, click on the title area and type in a clear, descriptive title. Think about what will make sense to your members later when they see it in their feed or search their emails. For example, instead of just photos, you might write something like "behind the scenes photos from this week's shoot." Next, move down into the main content area where it says Start Writing, and add your body text. This is your chance to give context to your photos. Explain what they're about, why they matter, or any story behind them. Even a few thoughtful sentences can make your images feel more special and intentional. Now it's time to add your images. Above your title, you'll see an option to insert an image. Click that, then choose the photo files from your device that you want to upload. Wait for them to finish uploading and make sure they appear correctly in the editor. You can rearrange or delete any images if something doesn't look right. On the right-hand side of the screen, you'll see several important settings. Here, choose who can access the post, such as free followers or paying members. You can also add collaborators if you're working with others, decide whether to add the post to a collection, and choose if it should be part of a special drop. You'll be able to set a publish date if you want to schedule it for later, and decide whether to allow comments. This is also where you can add tags to help organize your content and make it easier to find. Before publishing, you can click on Preview Post, located next to the Publish button. This shows you exactly how your post will look to your audience. Scroll through, check the text, make sure all photos are displaying correctly, and confirm that the settings on the right match what you want. When everything looks good and you're happy with your photo post, click Publish. Patreon will process it, and your members will now be able to see and interact with your new photo content.